Hi guys, so I'm discussing the in-class questions that were discussed during class, and just for revision, I think everyone has done it in class, but then again, just to revise the concepts so that in case you're not understanding the concept, I'm just going through the solution again. Okay. Give me a moment, I'll just share my screen. Okay, so this is the in-class question on Trump and Sons. So this is a very easy question. Again, me saying it's easy is again, it's like fine. You might find it difficult, but I don't think it's too difficult that you can't understand it. Uh, Basically, the question says that a small testing firm performs 12,200 tests for 290 each and 16,400 tests for 240 each. Now, because of newer homes are being built with lead-free pipes, lead testing volumes is expected to decrease by 10% next year. Okay, so it's saying that the lead testing volume is supposed to decrease by 10% next year. However, awareness of radon health hazards is resulting to increase by 6%. The radon testing. So radon testing will increase by 6% and your lead testing will go down by 10%. The entrepreneur feels that the lower his price, if he lowers his price to 230, it will only decline by 7%. So instead of 10%, it will only decline by 7%. So firstly, let's prepare a sales budget assuming the price is same. So if my 2014 volume, this is my 2014 volume, 12,200 multiplied by 290 and 16,400 multiplied by 240. Sales budget for this one is, again, I'm not increasing or decreasing the volume. So I'm not increasing, decreasing the price. I'm just changing the volume. So it says for radon test, the volume change is 6%. So the new volume is 1293 to 12932. It's increasing by 6%. And for the lead test, it's going down by 10%. So the new volume is 14760. I hope this part is easy. Now you multiply this into the old selling price and you'll get the total revenue, which comes to 7292680. Second question says that prepare a sales budget assuming that the lead price is like you decrease the lead price to 230 and subsequently instead of 10% decline, it will only decline by 7%. So is it worth it? So instead of 10%, the first thing is again the same in the last question and this question it's the same. This one, what has happened is instead of 240, I've declined it by 230, declined it to 230, and instead of minus 10%, I've declined it to minus 7%. So this, you can see the volume is increasing. Again, the question says the company's goal is to maximize sales revenue. Okay, so I multiply this with the selling price. You can see that this selling price is much lower than the original selling price. And you can see the total impact is also lower. So if I reduce my selling price, yes, the volume decrease is less, but then my total revenue does not increase. So since the company's goal is to maximize its sales revenue, in this case, I will not suggest the company to reduce the sale price. Okay. This question can also be solved using variance analysis, but I think this is sufficient for now. So very quick question. I think everyone should be able to understand this question, and let's move on to the next question.